Baby boo, Nemo. Kedo?
I'm good.
As I was telling you before, I like you. The first day for Gechaba Monanya. I don't have time for boyfriend or girlfriend. I just want to marry you. Nobody goes, Bobiko. Baby.
I am not interested. I have told you so many times that I have a boyfriend. And you're so egotic for my liking.
I just want to marry you. Hello, I just love you. Oh, my wife, Kegabu. Biko.
Sorry, I don't want. I'm not interested.
Biko, 1 minute, can I call? Chinedo. Kadifo Borgini, what is it? I told you, pay the 1.5 into Access Bank. Then you pay the 3.5 million into Zenith Bank. Zenith is my main account, no. Don't call me back if I don't get a lot in 2 minutes. Inubia. My dear, when you were sorry about that.
No, you were quite hey, baby boo boo. I'm a little okay, you are doing now. If it is marriage that you want, no problem. I am ready and I'm interested. I want to keep talking. I'm open.
Who believe?
Jump